A CloudOps engineer needs to ensure that server access logging is enabled for all new and existing S3 buckets in an AWS account. If any bucket lacks this configuration, the system must automatically remediate it. What is the most efficient and standard approach to achieve this? Option A, utilize AWS Trusted Advisor to flag unlogged buckets and trigger a manual remediation. Option B, apply an S3 bucket policy that mandates logging for every bucket.
Option C, implement the S3 bucket logging enabled AWS config managed rule and associate it with a custom Lambda function for remediation. Option D, implement the S3 bucket logging enabled AWS config managed rule and configure a remediation action that targets the AWS-configure S3 bucket logging systems manager automation document. At its core, this scenario explores how to maintain resource compliance and automate fixes across a cloud environment.
In my view, the correct answer is option D. AWS Config is the standard tool for monitoring resource configuration states. By using the managed rule specifically designed for S3 logging, the system identifies non-compliant buckets. Linking this to an AWS Systems Manager automation document allows for native automated remediation. This approach is preferred because it utilizes a pre-built managed solution rather than requiring the development and maintenance of custom code.
Regarding the other choices, option C is technically functional, but introduces unnecessary complexity by requiring custom Lambda code maintenance. Option A is ineffective here because Trusted Advisor does not offer a native automated remediation workflow for this requirement. Finally, option B is incorrect because S3 bucket policies are primarily used for managing access control, not for enforcing resource-level configuration settings like logging. Remember, always prioritize native AWS managed services for automation.